Hello, and thank you for your interest in AutoPW. My name is Saj Patel of Aztec. In this tutorial, I will take you through the installation of the AutoPW plugin product for Microsoft Outlook on the Windows platform. AutoPW is a powerful email encryption product packed with great features, yet inexpensive and very easy to use. Our plugin product is designed specifically to work with the Microsoft Outlook on a Windows platform. To learn more about our features and capabilities, please visit AutoPW.com. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's cover the pre-installation checklist. Item number 1. Unzip the contents of the AutoPW download file. The download file is available in one of two ways. You can access the available downloads by clicking the Downloads link at the bottom link bar on the AutoPW.com website. Or you will also be presented with an opportunity to save the AutoPW download file when you purchase the product or choose to download a trial version. Open the zip and extract all its contents into a directory you can easily access for the install. Item number 2. Have your license key handy. You can obtain the license key in one of two ways. If you purchased the product or downloaded the trial version, you received an email from us containing the license key along with additional instructions. If someone purchased a product on your behalf, such as an administrator for your company, he or she should provide you with the license key that's designated for your particular use. Last item. Make sure you close Microsoft Outlook to ensure a graceful exit of work you have in progress. However, the installation will prompt you if Outlook is open. Let's go ahead and start the installation. Important note, if there are multiple user accounts on your machine, you will have to repeat the installation within each account that is expected to use AutoPW in Outlook. First, locate the directory that contains the extracted contents of the AutoPW download file. Double-click the Windows installer file. You will be presented with a series of steps. Click the Next button on the first screen to get started. At the installation folder window, you can let the location default or choose your own location by clicking Browse. Read and accept the license agreement and click Next. Click Next to confirm the installation. Note that you can cancel at any time and the installation will roll back any changes made up to that point. The install may take several minutes. Note there are a few Microsoft utilities and libraries that are required for AutoPW to function. If your system lacks any of these, the installation will prompt and ask you to confirm the installation of those components. When you reach the initial setup screen, the product has been installed but still needs to be configured to complete the installation. The settings govern how you plan to use the product. You can change the settings at any time using the Settings function in your AutoPW menu bar in Outlook. Click Continue. AutoPW is designed to work for individual users as well as in a workgroup environment. In a workgroup setting, you want to share password lists for your email recipients with your colleagues. For your own personal use, you want your password lists to be private. Be sure to choose the right folder for private and shared files. Shared, for example, could be a network drive, Dropbox, or Microsoft SkyDrive folders. Question 1 asks if you are planning to use the product in a workgroup setting. Question 2 is relevant in a workgroup setting. If the shared folder was already configured by another user for AutoPW, then you would choose Yes. Otherwise, it is a new shared folder location. You become the administrator of that location, and you would choose No. Click Continue. Questions 3 and 4 are preferences. Question 3 asks if you prefer to include a date and time in the name of any encrypted file created by AutoPW for transmission. Question 4 is in regards to a reminder window. By setting the reminder, you will be presented with an AutoPW window every time you click Send after composing an email. The reminder screen allows you to encrypt your email or simply bypass and send without AutoPW encryption. It's a great feature to help with compliance for policies on protecting sensitive information in your organization. Click Continue. Question 5 relates to automatically sending a password hint message to your recipient when you send an encrypted email. Question 6 allows you to establish a common password for anyone sharing the shared password lists that you indicated in question 2. You can only set this if you are the administrator. Base installation is now complete. Before you can use the product, you need to activate it by providing the product your license key. Let's finish this by opening Microsoft Outlook. When you install AutoPW for the first time, Outlook will prompt you to verify the plugin. Follow the steps to verify and complete the installation of the plugin. You will now have an opportunity to enter the license key. If you choose later, you can enter the license key from the Register menu option on the AutoPW toolbar. Press Activate to get started. On the Register screen, for username, enter the email associated with the trial download or purchase of the product. Also enter the license key and click Register. Please note, you must be connected to the Internet. Upon completion of these last steps, you will notice an AutoPW toolbar button on the menu bar in Outlook. Congratulations! Your installation is complete. You are now ready to use AutoPW. Thanks again for your interest in AutoPW. Please visit us at autopw.com to learn more. And welcome to AutoPW.